Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 27th to August 10th. Going to first here look at the latest on Tropical Storm Faye. Here it is as of 2 p.m. this afternoon. 27.3 north, 93.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles per hour and movement towards the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. And this is the forecast track is forecast to take. And if we take a look at the maps, let me see if I have, okay. The system is forecast to make landfall on Saturday, early Saturday here. And you can see we have heavy rainfall that'll be occurring across South Texas, also some heavy rain down into Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, and will bring rain across this region here. The system will likely weaken to a remnant low fairly quickly, and this will still bring some heavy rainfall. Now we're going to look at the rainfall amounts in 6-hour periods. You see we have some rainfall amounts approaching this dark red, about maybe 2-3 inches. And then it continues into Mexico. This is GFS. We'll look at the European, and it has some of the purples, maybe approaching 2 to 5 inches of rain across this region here. Now the system will continue into Mexico and weaken. Tropical moisture and instability will cause rain and storms across the Gulf Coast. Heavy rainfall, and we'll take a look at that on the other maps. You can see across here lead to heavy rainfall across this area, across the Gulf Coast. Also, a front will move through the east later in the period. You can see it right here. Tuesday, and then it goes into Wednesday, and then stall, and then we'll have additional rainfall across the plains as it lives back as a warm front. And monsoonal moisture will continue across the central and southern Rockies, you can see right here, and into the plains. This is due to the monsoonal flow. We're going to look at the period now for August 1st to the 5th. Oh, wait, I want to take a look at the current satellite picture. It looks very good compared to yesterday. You can almost see a little bit of an eye starting to form. But we have good banding, and outflow remains good across this region here. So this is the latest visible satellite imagery. Okay, we're going to look now at the period, like I said, for August 1st to the 5th. Back this up a little bit. And the overall flow doesn't change with a ridge across the southern U.S. There is a tendency of a trough here, and we'll take a look at the European ensembles. This is for the 5th. Let me see, back up here. It also shows a trough here across this region. Still a fairly strong ridge here in the west. But for now, I'm going with this forecast. I'm going to forecast above normal temperatures here in the west and the plains and along the east coast, with anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal, 2 degrees maybe either side of normal here across areas in the very light blue. And for precipitation, calling for, that's the wrong map, calling for below normal precipitation across much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast here, with the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we're going to look at the period for August 6th to the 10th. pattern doesn't change very much. We have our westerlies here across the northern states, a ridge here, mainly over the Rockies. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And we'll take a look at the weeklies, the European weeklies. This is for the 10th. Also showing the weeklies here and above normal heights across much of the region. I gotta see about that trough. A lot of models have been showing that in the last couple of days. Let's see how that comes out tomorrow. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal across much of the nation. And for precipitation, the change in this forecast period compared to the previous is to include all of the Rockies in the central and northern plains, and that's the only change in this forecast. So again, taking a look at the latest on Tropical Storm Hannah, it's 27.3 north, 93.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are 50 miles per hour, moving towards the north, towards the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 27th to August 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.